Hi everyone, it's Carrie over at Double Click. Welcome back to my craft room. Today I'm doing a VR for Deanna over at Blonde Amazon. She is having a ATC birthday challenge. Her challenge closes June 4th. She's asking that you post on the community tab, do a VR, and send her an ATC card and you can receive 3 entries. This is the birthday card that I'm sending her way. I decided to do a TinkerBell theme and I had this wood mountain stamp and I thought it was perfect because it has the little star and the scripty font. This is some Disney paper and then she's just a sticker. On the inside, I am sharing some pretty colored dewdrops, and over here I made a little pocket for my ATC card. This is what it looks like. I had this TinkerBell epoxy sticker and I did staple her at the waist to make sure she doesn't peel up from the card. I cut out some words and backed them with some pink paper. I added a tiny bow, some stickles, and one of my dewdrops. And that is my entry for Deanna. She is the Blonde Amazon here on YouTube, and I will be sure to link her channel down below, and you could check out her video for all of the challenge rules. Before I go, I want to show the current release of my dewdrops. This is the summer line, and they are currently available in my Etsy shop, or you can direct message me for a purchase. I thank you guys so much for stopping by, and have a great day. Bye guys.